Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Anushri and today I'll share a tutorial on how to layer your images easily and efficiently. I've opened Cricut Design Space here and you can see already that I've chosen a heart shape here. Now I'm going to choose another image. Now here let's go with a tiger print image. Now these images are there already in the design space, so whichever you feel looks good to you, you can choose that. So now since both of the shape and the image are in black color, I will change the color of one of it so that it's easier to understand how we are layering it up. I've got the tiger print image over on top of the heart thing. I'm just trying to rotate it a bit so that once it is aligned neatly to the image or to the shape, it looks good. Now next what I'm going to do here is I've opened the layer panel. As you can see here, I'm going to duplicate this heart shape so that we have two heart shapes here, and I'm separating it as you can see on the canvas. I'm taking back the tiger print over the first shape which we already had, and the second one you can already see is kept separately here. I'm going to use this first heart along with the print, and now using the combine feature I have done the subtraction to it, and now you can see how this tiger print has converted into a heart shape. Now this is why I was not using the second one and I duplicated it. I'll go back and turn it into black color, and now once you layer up, you can see the tiger print which we extracted in square shape has turned into heart, and now we have the final image here. So you saw how easily I could turn one of the images from the design space into the shape desired. I can do whatever with this particular image now, duplicate it or whatever. So it's not going to lose the shape here. So now we have seen how we can turn any image into a particular shape and use them as a layer. Now let's learn how to add text to these layers again. And for that purpose I'm going to choose a text from the option here, and to keep it simpler I'll just type Cricut here. So choose any text whatever you want. Cricut will give you an option of changing the fonts also, so you can always have a choice whichever font you're comfortable with. I have chosen this particular font here, and then after you have chosen the font, take it back to the image where you want to make or put the text there. Now in this particular design I do not want to add more layers as a text to it. What I want to do is that I want to cut these two layers with the same text and then align them. I want to keep it a two-layer thing only. Okay, so the text part needs to be subtracted from both the layers. For that what I need to do is now I am going to take this text here. You can see I have two layers, the black heart and the tiger print part of it. I'll go to the text here and I'm going to duplicate that particular text part so that I can go and subtract it from both the layers later. So once you have duplicated the text, make sure that you go and align it back to the space where they both are aligned properly, because you will be cutting or let's say subtracting at the same place only. Now go and choose the tiger print or the heart, whichever you want to do it first, along with one of the text option which we already have. We have two right now. Choose that and go to the combine feature again and just subtract it. Once you're doing that, keep the other parts eyed off so that you are not going to mix it up with anything else, and the subtraction happens easily. So you can see here I'm subtracting and my tiger print has got subtracted with the text Cricut here. Next you come back to the layer panel again and you eye off the tiger print and the which is already subtracted now, and once you have done that you will have the heart and the Cricut one of the text here, and then again just subtract it. After that you will have this part also, this layer also, which is subtracted. Combine them together and you have your layered subtracted design in hand. Wasn't that easy enough? Though it looks difficult, but once you start working around with the layer panel, it is pretty easy. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial and learned some really good ways to make your work easier here. See you soon in next video. Till then, thank you and keep watching.